Fozzie here from Great Motorcycle Rides, Washington. Today we're going to take you to another great destination, the town of Leavenworth. Right now, we're just a couple miles outside of town on the Wenatchee River in the Tumwater Canyon, looking at the Tumwater Canyon Dam as we're going by here. The dam was originally built to supply power to the railroad tunnel that runs through Stevens Pass. And here's the lake that the dam creates right on the Wenatchee River. You can see the road where it winds along the canyon and the river. It's a great last few miles into the town of Leavenworth. It's a lot of fun, very scenic, beautiful place. Lots of places to pull over and get down to the river. You can check the canyon walls for wildlife. Sometimes you can see mountain goats or deer or other things coming down to get a drink. Really a neat place to kind of hang out. And that takes us right into the town of Leavenworth, which is a beautiful Bavarian themed town right at the foothills of the mountains there. Things going on in the town year-round, hiking, fishing, camping, Christmas lighting, you name it, stuff's always going on there. Lots of tourist attractions in this town, gift shops, restaurants, breweries, pubs. They have a bit of everything going on. A lot of activities during the summer. Of course, my favorite way to get around and through town is on a motorcycle. You can just see more, feel more, smell more, and parking's a lot easier. Watch out for the parking cops there. Coming up here on the left, we have what's kind of like the town center. We're not going to go down that way. We're just going to wait for these folks to get out of the road. But they have a little like outside theater there, some gazebos, a great place to have a picnic. A lot of things going on, different times of the year, art shows, music in the park. They got a little bit of everything going on. You just have to kind of check with the town for what's coming up, or like I prefer to do, just head on over that way and take your chances. It's really a neat place. There's plenty of lodging in the area. Busy weekends, you may want to check ahead and try and get a reservation, but a lot of times you can kind of squeeze your way in if you're not too terribly concerned about where you're going to stay. Definitely a great place to pack up the family or the sweetheart and head out for a weekend. I highly recommend it, and ride safe.